The headline reads, Atlanta lists 38 unsolved slayings of females since late '78. The article appeared in the Los Angeles Times on June 14th and was then reprinted in papers all across the country. But the problem has received very little publicity here in Atlanta, and there are different opinions as to just how serious the situation has become. Here are the statistics. Since 1978, there have been 115 homicides involving black women in Atlanta. 35 of those murders are unsolved. The LA Times article includes 3 recent murders of white women in Atlanta's suburbs, making its total 38. Each year since '78, Atlanta police have been less successful in making arrests in these cases. 16% of 1978's cases remain unsolved, 21% of the cases in '79, 36% of 1980's cases, and so far this year, 45% of the homicides involving black women are unsolved. Some members of the City Council Public Safety Committee are concerned enough about this trend to request briefings from Commissioner Brown. At his news conference today, Brown was asked if any thought had been given to another special task force. Brown said the cases are being investigated by regular homicide detectives.
And at this point, we have no plans to do anything different.
Right now, most police and many others familiar with this trend do not believe the murders are related. But explanations for the growing number of homicides involving black women are few and far between. The predominant theory is that with so much effort being put into the cases involving black males, there is little left over for other investigations. But not everyone buys that theory. Mayoral candidate and state representative Mildred Glover is the most outspoken.
It is felt that there are some isolated cases, but that there are mass murderers. There is a group of people who have just conspired to bring this evil upon the community.
Commissioner Brown is scheduled to make another report to the Public Safety Committee next week. It is unclear where all this will go from there. But one thing is clear. Atlanta now has more unsolved homicides involving black women than all the cases on the task force list. Dennis Kauff, Action News.